We have shattered it in 2023. We are the planters of Asuwaju. When you are talking about Asuwaju, they took it to court. Now because opposition have collapsed by their own making, everybody starts saying, by the mandate we shall stand. Stand on the mandate when it is hot, not when food is done. Stand when there's problem. When you know you cannot come out to say it out, fear. You look right, you look left. You don't know who's who. As a man, I'm not talking to me here. Now, everything has been done. Tom, Dick, and Harry. Your man, we shall sign. We are not like that. I will not be like that. So we have taken a decision long before now. Not today. That will continue to support Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's what you said. And let me thank you, Mr. Speaker, even though it affected me. By 17 of you moving out to join APC without consulting me and giving 10 other members there. What is it? That's what I've advised my national chairman. Keep your house in order so the enemies will do not come and take our people. The enemies are hovering around. When you're not vigilant, they take your people. Why do you complain when you cannot protect your members? That's why you must be at alert to make sure enemies don't take your people. So those of you, 10 of you are still remaining. Whatever you choose, I am there. But what I will not do is to let you suffer your life. Whatever you think that will help you, you do it. I know that nothing will touch me. I'm still there. I will fight it to the end of the day. But if you know you can't stand it, like me, you can do whatever you want to do. That is your business. But me, I can withstand them. I will fight them. Because I know how Satan moves. And I will not allow Satan to near me. So, let nobody worry himself. And let me thank you for telling Mr. President that you will stand by what you have agreed with him. And following what you've been doing, you have not reneged from the promise you made to Mr. President. All of us, the Chairman of Leaders Forum, all our leaders, we have been following keenly and seeing who is obeying or whatever you have agreed. Now, so many members are here. Party leaders are here. We are watching. We are watching. But what I want to let all of you know, don't be panicked. Do not be panicked. We have seen this before. It will continue. But at the end of the day, God will be on our side. If you experience in Nigerian politics, Nigerian politicians like Rivers money. I can tell you that. Go and study it. Nigerian politicians like what Rivers money. If you want to make money in Rivers today, I don't know how you made the mistake of announcing that there was 600-something billion naira. That mistake you made by announcing that have placed some politicians from other states. I know them. They will now tell somebody here, this Wike, enough is enough. They correct. Don't worry, Wike, his own time is finished. They correct. So, for you to be able to suck part of that 600-something billion, you must say Wike time is over. That is the way now. If you want to suck from that 600 billion, if you went and told the public, you opened the whole thing. So, people were hanging. Now you are the one who opened it up. I have this kind of money. So what do you want them to do? People are waiting for where they will pitch. So every day they put in one front page. They have adopted social person, they collect. So person social committee, they collect. Are you not seeing it that the president is happy with you? They collect. You should let the pattern of politics here. If you learn, you won't bother yourself. Because anybody who comes to the River State now must say the president is happy with you. They collect soon. They don't want to hear Wike again, they correct your own. He doesn't see president again, they correct. So, people also made a mistake of telling the world the amount of money. Because you see a lot of political 419. What's going on? During my time, nobody could do that. Because I know that I've worked in Abuja severally. You know where you have political 419? There are days in Abuja. They will even take you to the source and leave you there, and they've collected. You don't know it's fake. So you have to be very, very careful. But what I want to advise us politicians, if you know you cannot abide to any agreement, don't go into it. Don't go into it. If you know anything you will not do, don't go into it. Don't come and say, oh, I was playing wayo. It will catch you up. Anything I will not do, I will tell you this one, I will not do this. When I agree with something, I go into it. So people should keep to what they have agreed. The peace stand. That's what brings peace. But when you now think you're clever by half, you think you can play everybody, it won't work. It will not work. Everybody agree to their own terms what you agreed, what you told Mr. President, what you told the National Assembly, what you told the Assembly, what you told the Elders Committee. Not when one player passes, you bring another thing. I will not be a party to that. And for me to use forum to inform you, we shall start politics in January. We have been working and working. Time for politics will start. And it will start in January. And I want you to still support us. We need their support to be strong the way we are strong. We will also support you. We will not abandon you. Since you did not abandon us, we will not abandon you. So I want to sincerely thank you and let you know that nothing should bother anybody. All these things you are seeing, they will all disappear at the appropriate time. So continue to lead the assembly. I like the relationship. Don't allow anybody to come and sow seed of discord, because you have stood firm before. What would anybody come and tell you now that will make you to change your mind? Continue to do the good work for the people of River State.